Imagine a world where the stars were a mystery, and a falling apple was just a piece of fruit. In 1665, while a deadly plague wiped out London, one man sat alone in a garden and unlocked the secret code of the universe. This is the story of how Isaac Newton discovered gravity, invented calculus, and changed humanity forever. Scene 1, The Lonely Child. Narrator, Christmas Day, 1642. While England was gripped by civil war, a tiny, premature baby was born in the village of Woolsthorpe. He was so small, his mother said he could fit into a quart mug. No one expected Isaac Newton to survive.
I was born in the prime of the year, but my father was already gone 3 months prior. I was a child of silence, left to the care of my grandmother while the world moved on without me.
This isolation didn't break him, it built him. While other children played, Newton built. He constructed windmills, water clocks, and sundials, proving early on that he didn't just want to live in the world, he wanted to understand its machinery. Scene 2, The Year of Wonders. By 1665, Newton was at Cambridge. But then, the Great Plague struck. The university closed, and Newton fled back to his family farm. It was here, in total solitude, that the Year of Wonders began.
In those days, I was in the prime of my age for invention, and minded mathematics and philosophy more than at any time since.
Alone in his garden, he watched an apple fall. It wasn't just a piece of fruit hitting the dirt, it was a revelation. He realized that the same force pulling the apple to the earth was the very force holding the moon in its orbit. Gravity was born. Scene 3, The Principia and the Laws. In 1687, Newton changed humanity forever with the publication of the Principia. Within its pages were the 3 laws of motion. The law of inertia, objects stay still unless pushed. Acceleration, force equals mass times acceleration. Action and reaction, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. These weren't just observations, they were the blueprints for modern engineering, from the cars we drive to the rockets that reach the stars. Scene 4, The Master of the Mint. But Newton wasn't just a man of stars and math. Later in life, he became the master of the mint. He hunted counterfeiters with the same intensity he used to hunt the secrets of the universe. He was knighted by Queen Anne in 1705, not just for his science, but for his service to the crown. Scene 5, The Final Lessons. Sir Isaac Newton died in 1727, leaving behind a world he had fundamentally rewritten. What can we learn from the man who saw further than anyone else? First, curiosity is a superpower. Great discoveries begin with simple whys. Second, discipline beats talent. Newton wasn't born a genius, he studied his way into becoming one. Third, your environment doesn't define you. A lonely farm boy during a plague became the father of modern physics.